Hi guys, in this video we will find out how we can create a job application tracker, like how many jobs you have applied in the last day or like last previous days, and what is the status. And it is really helpful for you to follow up also, because it will, for instance, I applied on this date, and if I want to for instance, I want to write a mail to them, so easily you can find out, like, copy their mail and you can create write a mail, and here you can find out the subject or like job positioning. So let us know how I did this, and let me delete this. For this you need the Gmail account and also access to your drive, and you should be having some space in your drive. So let me delete this and show you from the scratch how I did this. And for this you need to have a Google account, as I told you. Go to Google and go to drive, and then after create Google Sheets. So from the Google Sheets, and for the first time you need to change this from untitled spreadsheets to job tracker with J and T as capital. So JOBTRACKER, and then after go to extensions and go to app script, and by default there will be some function. You need to just delete this, press Ctrl A and enter delete. Then after here you need to paste the code which I will give you, and just copy this and paste this, and you need to save this. Once you save this, go to install trigger and hit run, and it will ask you for some permissions, and review permissions and accept every permission, and go to save and continue, and select all and give every permission. And once the execution is started, you should be getting a green tick mark here. Then after go to install daily summary trigger, because this is really important, because in the morning it will send you a reminder, like how many jobs you have applied in the last day. So I feel this is really helpful for you. And then after again press run, and you should be getting a green tick mark. And here thereafter go to run tracker, and then hit run again, and that's it. You don't have to do anything, and it will go through all the mails for the last 90 days, or like up to it reaches 150 applications, and it will create a very good spreadsheet automatically like this. And yeah, once it will done, and I'll show you what you have to do next. So now the run is completed, and it added 143 tracking. So here you can find out, like, it added like up to like 144, like 143, because first one is the heading, and it also identified 7 duplicates, and it is merged. So those 7 duplicates are merged, and once this is done, it also creates the dashboard. Right now it is still running, and once it runs, it takes some time really. So like for me it took like around 3 minutes to do this, and then after dashboard is refreshed, and it creates a dashboard like this, which is really helpful. And you can find this code in my GitHub repository, and you can find my GitHub in the comment section or in the description. And thank you for watching this video.